Hello everyone and welcome back to Newsy. Today we've got a spectacular showcase of technology and artistry that took place at the International Tourism Fair right here in Madrid. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Kicking off the festivities, a breathtaking display of 200 drones took to the skies, creating mesmerizing figures of iconic tourist destinations. First up, we have the majestic Taj Mahal lighting up the Madrid night with its intricate and stunning design. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, the drones painted the sky with the unmistakable silhouette of the Eiffel Tower, the Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom and democracy, came to life in a symphony of light, showcasing the global spirit of tourism at its finest. The drones gracefully illuminated the sky with the iconic Sydney Opera House. The drone continued their dance in night. Next up, the Roman Colosseum emerged in all its glory, a testament to the grandeur of ancient Rome. As the night unfolded, Christ the Redeemer graced the Madrid skyline. And finally, the drones shaped the Madrid sky into the silhouette of a Mayan pyramid, reminding us of the rich history and cultural heritage that travel allows us to experience. What an incredible celebration of travel and culture. A big shout out to hotel chain for organizing this stunning drone light show in honor of their 30th anniversary. If you enjoyed this mesmerizing display, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Newsy for more amazing content and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our adventures. Thanks for joining us on this virtual journey, and until next time, keep exploring the world and creating unforgettable memories. Safe travels everyone.